Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a unique Korean dish, daechang sundae. This dish is a favorite among Koreans, and it's especially popular in Seoul's Uljiro and on Jeju Island. It combines the rich flavors of large intestines and blood sausage for a truly special dining experience. First, let's talk about the Uljiro area in Seoul. Located in the heart of Seoul, Uljiro is a bustling district known for its traditional food establishments. You can find many restaurants just a short walk from Uljiro. 3 Ga Station, Exit 9 on Line 4. Here, you can enjoy a mixed platter menu that features daechang sundae, with prices typically ranging from 30,000 to 40,000 won. This mixed platter usually includes daechang sundae, regular sundae, various internal organs, and other parts, allowing you to experience a variety of flavors all at once. On Jeju Island, you can also savor daechang sundae. While Jeju is renowned for its scenic beauty and seafood, daechang sundae is also a local delicacy. In restaurants near Jeju City Hall, you can find a similar mixed platter, with prices generally between 35,000 and 45,000 won. This menu offers a wonderful opportunity to taste different parts of daechang sundae in one meal. What sets daechang sundae apart from regular sundae is its use of large intestines daechang, along with various other ingredients. Regular sundae typically uses pig's intestines and has a simpler filling, while daechang sundae includes large intestines, adding a richer flavor profile. The fatty, savory taste of daechang complements the milder sundae, creating a deep and satisfying flavor experience. The mixed platter usually includes liver and lungs as well. The liver has a rich, slightly sweet flavor and is very juicy, while the lungs are light and have a clean taste, balancing well with the rich flavors of daechang and sundae. This dish is typically served with sundae soup, made from simmering pig's head. This broth is similar to Japanese tonkatsu ramen, known for its rich and deep flavor that enhances the taste of the sundae. You can also mix the remaining soup with rice to create a hearty, flavorful meal. Additionally, daechang sundae pairs wonderfully with soju, a popular Korean alcoholic beverage. The clean and refreshing taste of soju complements the rich, fatty flavors of daechang sundae perfectly, making for a satisfying dining experience. That's a look at Korea's traditional daechang sundae. If you're visiting Korea, be sure to give it a try. Enjoy the delicious food and experience the vibrant culture of Korea. Thank you.